We're gonna add a little flavor to those eggs too. I'm gonna start with a little layer of my country gravy. Now, I know you think it's homemade, but we got the little Pioneer packet gravy, cooked it like the directions, threw a little extra bacony goodness in there, but this is gonna be our little base layer. Guys, get your tortillas out. I cooked these a little bit, made them soft, pliable. We're making a breakfast casserole here. It's gonna be insane. You're gonna love it. Starting off, I got a little hash browns. Just one of those going in. A couple of the hash brown patties I just cooked like how the directions said. Going with a little bit of eggies. Now these eggs, just normal cooking, no big deal. Soft scramble, because they're gonna cook a little bit in here. Got a couple pieces of already cooked bacon. This bacon looks a little floppy. And of course, we're gonna add a little cheese and our little roll up here. And it's just that simple, folks. We're gonna roll it on itself, right? You're gonna lose some out the side, don't stress, okay? And just slide it into our little baking dish here. Those two little slices of bacon and some of that cheese. Just roll it on up, okay? And then get it into your tray. And we're gonna finish it off with the rest of this gravy, a little more cheese. Just get that spread out. Make sure everything's covered. The rest of the cheese on there. A few green onions because we're fancy. All right, team, we got our breakfast enchiladas. We're gonna get them in the oven, 375, 20-25 minutes. Get it all nice and combined and lovely and melty. Guys, this is gonna be money in the bank, let me tell you. I'll see you in a sec. Team, you gotta let this cool down. All right, time to dig in, people. Guys, this is like biscuits and gravy. Got together with a breakfast taco. Had some fun, got down. And then you get this wonderful, wonderful breakfast enchiladas. You're gonna wanna make this. But baby, you know it's good.